Have you ever walked into a cafe, a shop, or a new job and suddenly felt your English disappear? You know the words, but when it is time to speak, your mind goes blank? You are not alone. Today, I will show you how to break that barrier and speak English confidently in real situations. You will learn the exact phrases and strategies that work in daily life. Welcome to the Unlock English podcast. I'm Alex. In this episode, you will learn how to use English in real situations, improve your fluency, and practice with me step by step. Most English learners study grammar and vocabulary. They even watch movies in English. But when it is time to speak in real life, many freeze. Why? Because real conversations are fast and unpredictable. They have small details you do not learn in textbooks. The real problem is not just knowing English, it's using English naturally with real people. The good news is, you can train for these moments. Today, I will teach you the exact phrases and questions you need for real-life English conversations. Stay with me until the end. I will share a simple practice method that can double your speaking confidence in just 1 week. Plus, I'll give you a mini challenge to use in your next real conversation. Starting a conversation. Let's start with one of the most common real-life situations: arriving somewhere and starting a conversation. This could be a cafe, a shop, or a new job. I'll say a phrase. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. Hi, do you have a table for two? Can I see the menu, please? Is this seat taken? Excuse me, is anyone sitting here? Hi, I have a reservation under Alex. Could I get a coffee to go, please? What do you recommend? Is there Wi-Fi here? How long is the wait? Can I pay by card? Quick challenge. Which of these phrases would you use if you want to sit by the window? Pause and think. That's right. Can we sit by the window? Remember, the more you practice these out loud, the more natural they will feel. Think of these phrases like tools in your pocket. The more you use them, the easier it is to pull out the right one when you need it. Just like learning to ride a bike, it feels awkward at first, but soon it becomes automatic. Essential requests and small talk. Now, let's go deeper. You've started the conversation. What happens next? This is where most learners get stuck. Making requests, asking questions, and keeping the conversation going. Let's practice some essential requests and questions you'll use in real situations. Repeat after me. Could I have this without onions? Is this dish vegetarian? Do you have any specials today? Can I get this to go? Could you recommend something popular? Is there a restroom here? Can I have some extra napkins, please? Could you check if my order is ready? Is service included? Can we split the bill? Small talk is the secret to sounding natural. Try these. It's busy here today, isn't it? The weather is nice today. Is this your first time here? I love the music they play here. Do you come here often? Let's do a quick role play. Imagine you're at a cafe. I'll be the server. I say, "Hi, what can I get you today?" Pause and answer out loud. Great. Now, try adding a small talk phrase after your order. Pause again. Well done. This is how you make your English sound friendly and real. Coming up, I'll show you how to handle mistakes and keep the conversation going even if you forget a word or make an error. Plus, I'll share my favorite confidence-boosting trick for English learners.
Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. The key is to keep going. If you forget a word, try these phrases. Sorry, what is the word for? How do you say this in English? Can you repeat that, please? I am still learning English. Could you speak a bit slower? Mistakes are not failures. They are proof you are learning. Every time you try, you get better. Think of speaking English like going to the gym. The first time is hard, but every time you practice, your speaking muscles get stronger. Soon, you will be able to handle any real-life situation with confidence. Here is your challenge for this week. Choose one real-life situation, like ordering food, asking for directions, or starting a conversation with a classmate. Before you go, practice the phrases from today's episode out loud. Then, use at least one phrase in a real conversation. Afterwards, write down how it went. What felt easy? What was difficult? Share your experience in the comments or with a friend. The more you practice, the faster your fluency will grow. If you found this episode helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to improve their English. For more practice, check out the links in the description. Remember, every real conversation is a step closer to fluency. Thanks for listening to the Unlock English podcast. I'm Alex, and I will see you in the next episode. Future tense. Tomorrow and next week. Sentences 136 to 175. I will wake up early tomorrow. I will go for a morning walk. I will eat a healthy breakfast. I will drink more water. I will go to work on time. I will finish my tasks before lunch. I will attend an important meeting. I will share my ideas confidently. I will learn something new tomorrow. I will help my coworker with her project. I will send an email to my boss. I will take a short tea break. I will call my friend in the evening. I will visit my parents this weekend. I will spend time with my family. I will clean my room on Sunday. I will go shopping with my sister. I will buy some fruits and vegetables. I will cook dinner for my family. I will watch an English video. I will practice speaking for 10 minutes. I will write 5 new English sentences. I will believe in myself. I will work hard every day. I will never give up learning. I will read a new book next week. I will try to speak English at work. I will listen to English podcasts daily. I will watch English movies with subtitles. I will talk to my friends in English. I will smile more often. I will stay positive and calm. I will save money for a trip. I will travel to a new city next month. I will take pictures at the park. I will learn new words every day. I will teach my younger brother English. I will make my parents proud.
I will keep improving my English. I will speak English with confidence. Great job! You've completed 175 easy sentences for daily life, present, past, and future. Repeat them every day, and you'll start speaking English naturally and fluently. Keep learning, keep repeating, and always keep smiling. This is Unlock English Podcast, helping you speak English with confidence.